Good morning, friends. Today it's very early in the morning and it's so cloudy, and I came out here in my garden to pick vegetables for my munggo. I will be cooking balatong munggo, green beans. So these are the ones that I pick already. I have this part, a bit of eggplant and shallots and shoots of calabasa. I'll throw you a bit. It's too my garden is too it's too messy and a lot. See, I cannot even hang on. I picked my yesterday my pitsay for my noodles. See, look at this. This calabasa is everywhere. I have passion fruit here, but it's in the pot, so that would not be successful. This perilla is already dried. My chilies, see, and my tomatoes here. My tomatoes are everywhere. My chilies is good. They survive because it's a lot of rains, and this became full of water. This pot planter, then I was not able to remove at once, so they became dried. I withered, but I cut the branches and it's thriving again. But there's another one growing. See, this is my calabasa. It's wild, very wild, and there's a lot of tomatoes. See, my pumpkin, there's a lot of fruits. I don't know how many of them. This is plant give me a lot of fruits. My avocado is very big now. I don't know that lemon or lime. I'm not sure. They just grow by themselves. These are my pumpkin. Ang daming bunga. It's everywhere. My papaya. My tomatoes here again. There's a lot of fruits. Oh, my hands are tired because I just cut the branches. They're everywhere. And my cassava, the cassava is growing well. There's a lot of shoots. Maybe one time I will cook with this parda. Maybe this weekend if I have time. Sayuti. There's a lot. The papaya, they're ripening now. This one that is, oh, see, I cut this like cheese a bit because you cannot park. See, I cut these branches here. You know what, there's a lot of my mandarins and calamansi, but they are not doing well. The calamansi, look. There's one that's going, and then there's another that's coming out again, but it seems like they're not good. And even my mandarin, dami ko na sanang mandarin ulit, kaso lang it's not it's infested. Walang ang titigas, saka ang kukunti ng few, there's only few fruits and you cannot eat them. So this year my calamansi and mandarin are not good, but this one, they're okay. You can eat this. It's like makupa. So yeah, that's my garden this time. It's autumn, second month. Ay, third na, I think. Tapos na, pag-winter na. See? So, yeah. And this is my ginger. I cut a lot here already. I get some for my balatong. Let's see our balatong. I'm cooking my balatong. Oh my God, it's all ano na. See? That's my balatong. I will cook now. Okay. It's time to saute now. Okay, thank you, friends. Yeah, that's my autumn garden. Oh my God, it's my kitchen is very dirty na. Oh, I stove. Okay, I will prepare for my balatong because it's gloomy here, so showery, so it's nice to cook balatong. Okay, thank you, friends. Please subscribe and see you next time again.